In this part, we are going to set up the Python for web scraping, and because there are a few modules that we have to install. The first one is the beautiful soup, and the beautiful soup is for pulling the data out of the HTML and XML files. And if you look at the documentations, when you're looking down, you can see that we have to install a parser, because if you use the beautiful soup, you have to pass the parser at here. And there are a few parsers that you can choose. The Python's HTML parsers and the lxml parsers, and also the HTML5 library parsers. And this time we have to use the lxml, so we will also need to install the lxml. And at last, you have to make the request, so you also have to install the request modules. So back to the anaconders, and you go to the base and go to the open terminal. Now we can type pip, and also we can install the pip install bs4, the beautiful soup. So I already installed bs4, and then at last we also have to install the pip install lxml. So if you haven't installed, you may show a little bit difference. So after you already install, you can back to the Jupyter Notebook, and then you can import the request, and then also import the bs4. So if you do not have any problems, then it already indicate that you already install the module successfully. So you can also make a quick test. So we import the request, and then we print the x.test. Now you can see the simple web page, and then we go to the beautiful soup, and let's see whether we can so let's take a look. So we can use soup dot beautiful soup. So maybe we can choose we can type bs4 dot beautiful soup, and we put the x dot test, and then we use the lxml that we just installed, and then we can copy this, print the beautiful print the soup.ptfile, print the soup.ptfile, and then we execute. Now you can see we get the exactly the same code, and so later we will go to get the text from for example, we can get the text from header 1, h1, and also the other tag.